Next up, emergency exit for Crown. This is a super weird mission to have here as the final mission for tier 5, as it's really easy. Anyway, emergency exit for Crown. For this we need to secure both stairwell exits in the Koschei Complex. This is a super simple mission, and I really don't know why it's here. Anyways, to do this, all you need to do is infill into Al-Mazrah. You can take anything with you, it doesn't really matter, and you'll see why this mission is so easy in just a moment. All we need to do here is head to the entrance in the oasis all the way up north here. It's super simple to continue once we get in there, and you can probably do this very easily solo with literally no armor, no friends, no nothing. This is a very strange mission to have as such a high tier story mission, but anyways. So we'll run through the bunker here, then we'll need to quickly get through this first room here, which is actually very simple. Just closing the one door should take us through to the next area, and in this next area we'll find this section here. All we need to do is press the button and wait for this to complete. So we'll start securing the bunker here, and that will call in the AI from the next area. So just keep that in mind. And also not to mention this takes a hot minute to complete. So clearing out the next room here, we should then be able to get into the last room in here, where we should once again find the same thing just in that room. And activate this next one, which after this is complete, we should be done with this mission. It's super simple. Obviously, just be prepared for reinforcements that should come in, assuming you haven't already cleared the next area. Now finish this super simple mission. All you need to do now is extract, or of course you don't have to extract. The mission is now complete. So thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.